Welcome to the World of Robotics Championship 2024. In this briefing, we will cover the important rules and guidelines to ensure a smooth and exciting competition. Let's get started. Key points for gameplay. This section provides a summary of the key gameplay rules and structure. For detailed gameplay information, please refer to the gameplay details in the PDF provided. Number 1. Starting direction of the robot. Before the debugging session begins, the starting area and the forward direction of the robot's head will be announced. The diagram shows the possible starting direction for the robot. Second, debugging session. Each team will have 30 minutes to debug and test their robots. During this time, the arena or map will be open, allowing teams to conduct trials. The diagrams provided show the maps for the respective categories. The left diagram is for the junior category and the right diagram is for the senior category. Make the most of this debugging session to prepare your robot for the competition. Number 3. Starting the match. Before the debugging phase begins, the starting area and the forward-facing direction of the robot's head will be announced. Robots must start from either point A or point B as determined by the assigned position. Once the judge blows the whistle, one team member is allowed to load a ball into the robot. Only one ball can be used per attempt to maintain fairness. Each round is limited to 3 minutes, so teams must work quickly and efficiently to achieve the highest possible score. Please take note for bowling senior participants. The robots must move through the blank square between point A and point B before proceeding to point C to shoot the ball. Please ensure that main tire of the robot is fully inside the blank square before moving toward point C. Number 4. Bowling correct launching area. When launching the ball, teams must ensure their robots are positioned correctly. The left diagram shows an incorrect launching position where the robot touches the line. Penalty 1 point will be deducted for this error. The right diagram shows a correct launching position. Ensure your robot is properly aligned to avoid penalties. Number 5. Returning to the starting area. After completing a hit, the robot must return to the starting area correctly. The left diagram shows an incorrect way of returning to the starting area, while the right diagram shows the correct method. As long as main tire of the robot touches a black line in the starting area, team members can pick up the robot and continue the game. Make sure to follow this guideline. Number 6. Handling ball drops. In case the robot drops the ball, here's what you need to do. The left diagram shows the robot drops the ball in the starting area, so the team member can pick it up and reload the next ball as long as the robot has not crossed the black line. B. The right diagram shows the robot drops the ball after leaving the starting area, so the team member must wait for the robot to return and touch a black line in the starting area before picking it up. Failure to do so will result in a score of 0 for that round. Be cautious and follow the rules to avoid penalties. Number 7. Robot falls off the table. If the robot falls off the competition platform, it will be considered a violation as shown in the diagram. Penalty, the round will result in a score of 0. Make sure your robot stays within the competition platform at all times. Next, let's take a look at an example video that demonstrates how the game should be played. Thank you for paying attention to these rules and gameplay instructions. Adhering to these guidelines will help ensure a fair and exciting competition for everyone. Good luck to all the teams participating in the World of Robotics Championship 2024. Let's make this event a success and may the best team win.